Hello students, welcome to my channel CBSC Maths Class 11 Chapter 1 Sets Theory before 1.3 Exercise. Intervals as subsets of R. Before we start, I want to say to you, those who are new today or not subscribe this channel, follow one by one. I hope to learn easy process and details. It is very useful to you. If you like it, then subscribe it to get the update classes day to day from the beginning. To get our previous classes, click the link given in the description box. Okay, let's start. So, students, yesterday we learned up to this, and now 1.6.2 intervals as subsets of R. Let's A B belongs to R and A less than B. Okay. Then the set of real numbers, that is y greater than A less than B, is called open interval and is denoted by AB. So all the points between AB belong to the open interval AB, but AB themselves do not belong to this interval. Now let's describe it elaborately that you can realize all the matters. Suppose intervals of subsets of R, A and B belongs to R. Okay. A less than B. So then let's A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. So A less than B. Clear? Then R is a set of real numbers where A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are the elements. Clear? Then A belongs to R, isn't it? A belongs to R. A is an element of R and B belongs to R. Here B is the element of. So A, B both belongs to R, where R is the set of all rational numbers. Sorry, real numbers. Okay? That is why we can say that set of real numbers y is such that a less than y less than b. Y is an element. Set of real numbers, y is an element where y a less than y less than b. That means between y is between a and b. Greater than a less than b. Then real numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. That is set of real numbers where y is an element. Think it. Students, please follow the class one by one. So, y is an element where a less than y less than b. That means if we a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2, that means y is between 1 and 2. Clear? But y is not 1. Y is greater than 1, not 1. Y is less than 2, not 2. So, y in between 1 and 2. That's why y not equal to 1, that means y not is equal to a. Y not is equal to a and y not is equal to b. So, all the points, students, mind it, all the points between A and B, all the points between A and B belong to the open interval AB, but AB themselves do not belong to this interval. Understood? I say again, students, please follow the class minorly. The question is here, the question is intervals as subsets of R. A, B belongs to R. A less than B, then the set of real numbers between A and B belong to the open interval AB. But AB themselves do not belong to this interval. Okay? The interval which contains the end point is called as closed interval. That is another. And now clear it. Intervals of subset of R. Let A, B belong to R and A less than B. And A, B, let R is a set where elements are A, B, C, D, F, G. So A belongs to R, B belongs to R. A less than B condition, and A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, A less than B. Okay. Then set of real numbers where Y is an element and Y in between the A and B. So real numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear it with an example. Students, set of real numbers where Y is an element where Y in between of A and B. If A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, then Y in between 1 and 2. But Y is not 1 and Y is not 2. That's mean Y is not A and Y is not B. So, remember it, all the points between A and B belong to the open interval AB. But AB themselves do not belong to the interval. Next. Now, it is open interval. But when the intervals which contains the endpoints also called closed intervals, it is denoted by AB. Thus, AB is a set where X is an element and X in between A and B, and also an maybe it the means A and greater than A, less than B and B. Now clear it. If A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. So X is equal to 1 half two. 1 and 2 includes. That is why it is called closed interval. Closed interval. Clear? Now next. We can also have intervals closed, okay, close, we can also have intervals closed at 1, end, and open at the other. The example is A, B. AB is equal to x less than is equal to x b is an open interval, is an open interval from A to B, including A but excluding B, including A. As for A is equal to x is equal to A, and open, 1 and open, and next B excluding. Okay. So closed and one and open on the other. AB is equal to x is to A, x B is an one and open. X not is equal to A, not is equal to A, so that is closed, and that is open, and open from A to B, including B, but not A, excluding A. That is one and open. Understand? Next. So students, when A is including, that is open, that is closed. When A is including, that is closed. But on the other hand, when B, where x not is equal to B, that is B is excluding, that is open. So one is including, other is excluding. One is closed, one is open. That's why it is called one hand. One intervals closed at one and open at the other hand. Okay. Now these notations provide an alternative way of designating the subsets of set of all real numbers of real numbers. For example, if A is equal to -3, 5 and B is equal to -9, 7, 9, then A belongs to B. A belongs to B. A means -3 and 5. -3 and 5. Now let's clarify it. Now students, please let's realize it. The notation provide an alternative way of designating the subsets of set of real numbers. For example, if A is -3 to 5, this symbol is mean open. That means not including, excluding, and 5, that means open, not including, that means excluding. So the elements are to be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? If you understood, please comment. Otherwise, you cannot realize the whole set program. Understood? Now, B is -7 to 9. That means it is open, -9, -7, and 9 closed. That means it is including. So elements are -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not 9. Yes, 9. Also 9. That means closed. 9. 9. It is closed as it is closed. So here is the similarities. That is -2. Yes, -2. -1, -1. 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say that as per rule, subset. So A is subset of set B. Clear? A is the subset of set B. Let's again. These notations provide an alternative way of designating the subsets of set of real numbers. For example, if A is -3 to 5, it first bracket means open. Open means not including, greater than -3. Understood? 5 means not, yes, open, less than 5, not 5. It excluding. First bracket excluding, open. Understood? And now next, B is -7 to 9. Open, that means -7, open, it not includes, greater than -7. Okay? 9, it is closed, that means 9, up to 9. Okay? It excludes. Excluding. Now, B, the elements are -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 also. Okay? 9 also. 9 also. Okay? So, the elements, the similarity of the elements of A, set A and set B, what are? That means -1, a -2, -2. -1, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say that as per rules of subset, that A subset B. Understand? Students, if you understood it clearly, then it's okay. Or if you not understand, that you may comment it, and I again clear it. So students, this is the end of today's class. Okay. Please join tomorrow. Now, bye bye.